Hey everybody, let me just finish this battle because we had no time in my last video. And yeah. Okay, this thing's taking way too long. Or not. I'm sure. Yeah, I'm just gonna switch to Cute-Kit. Wait, she's scared. Another potion? Are you serious? Another potion? No. No. That's crap. You're down. What? Whatever. This video is only gonna be like a 4-minute one or 3. Because this is just part 2 of episode 9. Now we just killed that thing. Level 12. Nice. Yeah, it's only gonna be like 2 minutes. It's just the end of this battle. Thank you for Rock Tomb. Yeah, well that's the end. So yeah, peace out.